Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Thanks so much for the support and also for stopping by. I appreciate. In this video I'm sharing with you my spicy Kelewele recipe. Please don't forget to share and also support this channel by subscribing if you haven't done so. Thank you. So these are my ingredients. I have 2 ripe plantains, cloves, ginger, habanero, whole black pepper, grains of selim, some anise powder, onion, and my salt to taste. I also have my oil for frying. So we'll start off by peeling my ripe plantain. We'll then cut them to my preferred shapes. You are free to cut them to any shape and sizes of your choice. We'll then add them in my bowl. We'll season them with some salt and set aside. So I've chopped my onions, so in my food processor I will add them together with the other ingredients and blend everything. So add in my blended ingredients to my ripe plantain. So toss them very well till everything is well incorporated. You can always adjust your spice and heat level to your taste and preference, as I always say. So we'll leave it as I preheat my oil. So my oil is hot now, so we'll add in my kelewele. Make sure to separate them. So we'll bring the heat to a medium level. So we'll be turning them till every part is brown. So my spicy kelewele is done. We don't want them to get burnt. Enjoy it with some peanuts. Please share this video if you really enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.